production cars, yeah. And it uses, they use V12 engines in Le Mans and the MC series, and this is a long wheelbase version. Okay, short wheelbase, an alloy V8. Yeah. 3.9 liter V8. Whereas the old style Land Rover were parts. Yeah, our nose down. If I'm the only guy in here, you can hear it go ahead. It's pumped up this side of the car so everything stays level. Right?
Oh.
Similarly, I have weight in the back, an extra load in the back, same on one side. Okay, the vehicle will quietly pump itself up so everything stays level. So what that means for drivability is predictable handling, never any weight transfer problems, flatter cornering, and all that. The other advantage is you get a nice compliant ride or supple ride regardless of the load of the vehicle. With an air spring is a constant spring rate regardless of the compression of the spring. You just adjust the air pressure. Whereas a coil spring or any kind of metal spring, the stiffer the spring. Bob, you might want to come out here and help these people with this Jag new Sarban we're looking at. Keys are on the board and they're just trying to get into it to get it. Okay? Thanks, you bet. Bye. Okay. So the controls are pretty straightforward. The seat controls are here for the driver and passenger, forward and back, up and down. And then this is the backrest here. You've got armrests for comfort for both sides as well as in the back. And then standard automatic transmission, conventional is what I meant to say. You press that button and it moves the lever. Wow. That way.
That's quite a demonstration. That's quite something. Climbing over the tracks, no trouble.
Oh, I mean, this is nothing for these kind of vehicles. With this, again, you can bring up the clearance even more with this, so you can climb bigger obstacles.
Yeah, I've seen on television the tests and that.
You say you saw that test on television?
Yeah, on television. Yeah, they had the Range Rover and demonstrating with other.
It's the benchmark for all of this is the best in the world as far as the multiple.
But you know something, what really got me going on the Range Rover was when I was over in Switzerland.
Yeah.
I saw no end of Range Rovers.
Holy
No problem.
Incredible.
Fantastic.
Yeah, it just pops right up there. I'm going to turn this around because
It doesn't hang up when going over the crest like
no,
a
you would think so, and it does it without any skid plates because the way they've designed the chassis is everything is tucked up underneath, right?
Incredible.
Now, what we do to go back down, just to demonstrate, some people say, well, I'm going off-roading, I must have a standard transmission because that's the only way to do the engine braking, right? Whereas this, you see this box goes into third, second, and into first, and locks into first. So it's just like the standard transmission, low gear. So I'm in low range, low gear.
That's like the other Land.
So all I do is just take my foot off the gas, and it just drives itself down the hill.
It
Incredible.
is, isn't it? That's a good demonstration, John. That's a good demo. It really is. It's something.
And then if we want to get back into the regular range, this only takes up to about 30 miles an hour. We just put the vehicle into neutral, and then that's the alarm for input to neutral. Bring it back to the high range.
Wow.
Nothing to it. See, and it has the full-time intelligent four-wheel drive. So automatically adjusts torque to the front and the rear of the vehicle.
Yeah, I never realized there was so much in this car.
Incredible, I tell you, it was.
People look at that hill and they say, "There's no way you do it."
Yeah, I know, that's right.
Nothing. I mean, we have them at Whistler. They go straight up creek beds, just start climbing up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
you really don't have any limitations.
No.
And incidentally, you can fit these with winches, with power winches, if you need to pull yourself across.
Is that engine driven or electric?
Usually they go
power
electric
takeoff?
now
I see.
because they're more controllable
I see.
than power takeoff.
Yeah, this
Also,
doesn't help.
if you're going through, say, wet, here, we can go into our low range just for fun. Sure. See, the engine revs are up, and this is a
Yeah.
Because the whole idea is sort of let the vehicle get its own pace. You know?
That's right. Yeah.
What I was going to say was that because when often winches are needed, at least in the modern environment, is to pull yourself, say, across a creek. And if you're in a creek, sometimes it's because your motor's slow. Take off, then you're kind of stuck.
Terrific. Yeah, and it's so comfortable, you know, with that pack. I didn't expect the comfort of it.
Yeah, most people are going to expect a pretty jarring ride.
Yeah.
More body roll in this vehicle than a sedan. But bear in mind, the center of gravity is exceptionally low because all the steel is in the bottom of the vehicle except for the roll cage, so the mass is very low. You see, the engine's all aluminum,
Yeah.
the body is all aluminum, right? So
Boy, that's pretty,
very good engineering.
that's pretty good. Yeah, it's a low CFG.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. And I mean, I could go on and on. When you start to look at the
Yeah,
specs of this vehicle,
Yeah.
I'm going to say you come through with a lot of info.
yeah.